You ever felt the weight of tomorrow crushing your today got dream project? That crucial conversation, always deferred, always just out of reach. It's like watching a train pull away from the station, knowing your ticket is still in your pocket, but you just can't bring yourself to step aboard. We all face that invisible wall, that mental resistance whispering later. It's easier later. It's not laziness. It's often fear of the unknown. But remember the story of the lone redwood seedling, pushing through concrete, driven by an inherent will to reach the light. Its action wasn't about ease, but about life. What if you decided that every moment is the only moment that truly matters? What if you seized it? Imagine finally sending that daunting email or taking that first tiny step towards a massive goal. The relief, the surge of momentum is intoxicating. Stop waiting for perfection. Perfection is the enemy of progress. Just start. Start messy. Start small. But for heaven's sake, start. Whoa! Pick one thing right now. One thing you've been putting off. Set a timer for 5 minutes and just attack it. Because every act of courage, every leap of faith you take isn't just for you. It sends ripples, inspiring others to break free from their own someday. Don't let your potential be a story you never began. Ignite your today.